Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix problem App Store. This app is not available in your country even after fixing the region. So how you could also fix that? So first thing, just please check your country and region. You just need to go to the settings. In the settings you just need to tap on your Apple ID and on the top of the page, and after you just need to choose media and purchases. Just tap here and just check the region. So you need to change your region there. So if you also change the region to the right one, so another thing you could try also to just try to sign out from account and just sign in again. So also sometimes it helps. Another thing you could try also to restore your phone or iPad. Just go to the general, shut down, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simple restore phone. And the latest option you could try also to update your device. So just go to the general, just find here software update, just tap on that and just wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your system. And also if that doesn't work too, so the latest option you could try also to just try to create new Apple ID account, because sometimes it happen when even after changing the region it won't change and you will need just to create new account. So thank you very much. Please just download my applications. I will add them to description, to comments. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.